PCSA stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Processa Pharmaceuticals stock. This is bad, to be very honest with you. Now I know probably maybe you're looking to potentially get involved, but all my predictions that I've got was just bearish, me being bearish, and here it is, you know. Let me just, oh my bad. And all it actually did, man, it just kept melting. Now one thing is for sure is that the likelihood that I'll still keep taking things down is still quite high, you know. So that's obviously, I'm not going to question that. I'm just going to mark it out supply zone, and maybe only if the price does reach some supply zones and shows me any sort of like shift, am I going to look to then take things lower. Other than that, everything else is noise. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter, right? PCSA, I don't have any receipts there, but it's also fair. It's not that known stock ticker.